In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to add BVN on Piggyvest. So what you just need to do, just open your Piggyvest app on Android or on iPhone, then go to account down below. Please just click on account, then it's gonna show you a page just like this. Then the next thing you're gonna do, just click on account settings to, right here. You can see my account settings. Then right here you can see profile settings, BVN settings. Just click on BVN settings. Then you can see right here BVN verified, and basically I've already input my BVN on this page. You can see what's BVN. BVN is a unique 11-digit number assigned to you by the Central Bank of Nigeria, which is CBN, to help banks identify you and prevent fraud. And if you haven't verified your own BVN, you will see the option right there that shows that you haven't verified your BVN, and they will provide you a box where you can input your BVN so that you can lift your Piggyvest account and also be able to have access to perform some other transaction between or inside the platform.